Today, another beautiful day for me. A brand new day for me in which I can make beautiful things happen and enjoy it. Today I am very excited because today is the day that we are going out and about to enjoy our entire day. I always start my morning with my skincare routine. In the morning, instead of washing my face, I am using vitamin C infused cleansing water to wipe my face. Then I go ahead and use my vegan kombucha green tea toner, which is absolutely natural, and this is a miraculous toner and I totally recommend everybody should have one. And on top of that, I'm using my double barrier cream, which blocks all the free radicals in order to prevent the premature aging. And of course, because it's a daytime, I finish my skincare routine with my mineral sunblock cream. And as always, you know, whatever I'm using, I always link down all the products at the description box of the video as well as the first comment. And this is my makeup for today. Now I'm gonna choose my accessories wearing today, as well as to choose what to wear today. And this is what I chose for today as my accessories. These are all my favorite perfumes which I wear. It's Chanel No. 5, of course, Burberry and Jimmy Choo. Today I'm gonna go ahead and use Jimmy Choo. The links for all my accessories, my perfumes and the dress that I'm wearing today is at the description box of the video as well as the first comment. Now let's pop into the kitchen and start making a nice breakfast for everybody to have on the road.
شالون کپون
I also made a cup of coffee for myself to have while driving. Also a Red Bull for me and 2 energy drink for my husband and my son for the road. All the packed food goes into this lunch bag, which is really good quality, and I'm really happy that I bought this lunch bag. I use this for my work as well as wherever I'm going. Totally recommend it. It's been such a long time that I'm using the organic date syrup as my sweetener to go with anything, almost anything that I'm using. And I really love the taste of this date syrup, and I hardly can replace it with anything else. It's that much enjoyable. I always apply sunblock cream to my hands as well because I do not want my skin on my hands to get wrinkly. This is my own handmade sunblock cream that I'm using for my hands, and I will link down at the description box the tutorial of this sunblock cream. Here we are in Cambridge, a beautiful and very green city, which is famous for its university and colleges.
By the deep blue ocean, thinking that I couldn't be anywhere better, and I don't know whether it's right or wrong, and I can't. It's impossible for me to go on I'm facing my fears. Will I lose you? My soul is bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken, sitting by the deep blue ocean. I'm facing my fears. Will I lose you? My soul is bursting with emotion, drowning in tears, and I feel broken, sitting by the deep blue ocean. No canvas, with it, no canvas, with it, no canvas, with it, deep blue ocean. No canvas, with it, no canvas, with it, no canvas, with it, deep blue ocean. Sitting where we watch the sunset.
When you enter the city, especially when you go on town center, you will face a huge young population, which is so obvious. They are all local and international students living and studying alongside each other with happiness. This is Cambridge Town Center. As you can see, it is very beautiful and it has Christmas vibes all around. You see all the people around, which they come out to have fun, to do shopping and to have nice time.
Deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean. I'm drowning in tears by the deep blue ocean, deep blue ocean, deep blue.
Do you want to go here?
Yeah, that's fine, thank you. As you can see, all the bars, cafes and restaurants are packed, full of people who are trying to have happiness.
Yes, right. Not used to it. Shock to the systems. We went to a beautiful Indian restaurant for dinner.
We ordered biryani, chicken curry, and also different kinds of dal with hot tandoori roti. And it was yummy.